Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high. Plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, your word is serenity. Scorpio, it's time to take a chill pill. Come out into the elements. Come into your place of peace, wherever you find silence and peace to your soul, and go with the flow. You put in so much work. You qualified. Now it's time for you to just kick back and let Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ do their part. Because when you've done everything that you can on your end and you're staying confident, you're showing up and showing out, it's time that you step back as being a co-creator and let the creator do its thing. Through love, release, and inner work, I know peace. Through love, there's no weapon that could be formed against you that is powerful than love. Your biggest adversary will end up loving you back and supporting you. Release all that doubt, anger, all those negative energies, and that propels you into inviting so much more inner work of positivity and strength, where blessings come with their own weight, just like negative energy. So you're doing the inner work, you're becoming stronger. I know you feel stronger today, and you'll be able to maintain more blessings. So put in the work. It'll feel like a feather, rain, sleet, or snow. You'll enjoy your blessings. I know peace, and I have the gentle view of life and welcome every step with confidence. I remain brave in the face of fear, because fear fears you. You look it in the eye, guarantee it'll turn around and run away. And you're on your way to prosperity and continue to grow. And I have the wisdom to let the universe do its thing. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And I love you.